Hello guys, welcome back to the channel TLM price prediction. This video is about TLM price prediction, alien words price prediction. As you know that I have posted a lot of videos on my channel already. Let me check, is the recording working? Yeah. So this video is all about TLM USDT pair. So I'm gonna jump straight onto the technical analysis. And why I choose this MXC exchange is because TLM was first listed on the MXC exchange before it was listed on Binance. So we have a lot of data in here on the MXC exchange rather than the Binance exchange. So MXC exchange have derived the data from the trading view. So we're gonna uh, do the technical analysis. So let's start the technical analysis. So here we see this is let me remind you, this is 4-hour chart, okay, and I have drawn the zones. You can see on the right side we have lowest support, which this was the lowest point, then 12-hour monthly support, this is the monthly zone, resistance daily. Okay, so let's take a look at here. Right now the price is making a cup and handle pattern. You can see the you just take a look at the cup and handle. Let's take a look here. See here how cup and handle usually make patterns. What is the price action of the cup and handle? You see a lot of breakouts after the cup and handle. You see there this one, then this one as well, cup and handle. So in my last video I told you guys about the cup and handle pattern. So right now what is happening here, what I am expecting is, you see this one is the monthly support, this is the monthly support, and what I am expecting right now, if we look at these are the Fibonacci levels. Okay, just keep them in mind as well. Fibonacci levels, you see, uh, these are the price ranges where I expect the price could go down. Okay, right now this candle is going down, and if we just take a look at the price action, you see one rejection from here, second rejection from here, and the price is, you know, on more on the upside in between. So what I am expecting the price to go down to this level, 0.35. That is my prediction if the price went on down. Or you can see this is the zone, this one is the zone. You can see, sorry guys, sorry, this zone, you see this Fibonacci level. If we look into the past here, 0.382, and if we look at this phase, this was the consolidation phase here. You see the price consolidated at this zone. Okay, so this is a 0.38 zone. If we go down further, 0.263 here, the price also consolidated here as well. So you see the patterns, how it is making it, it is also making a ladder pattern as well. You see consolidation here, then you see consolidation here. So a lot of consolidations, 1 2 3 4. Okay, after that the price went up, making a new swing high, and after that what happened was rejected from this level, and then the price came down. And what I am expecting, as I told you guys, the price might come down to this level, this zone. You see 0.45 to 0.35. This is what I'm expecting in the coming days. Why? Because the price is moving in a downward direction. From there, with a good volume, we can see a good breakout from the upside. Okay, so let me show you another levels here. Now we're gonna compare the prices with the Fibonacci levels. Let's take a look here. 0.263, the price consolidated here. Okay, 0.382, the price consolidated here. Okay, 0.45, it broke through, and on its retest, this was the retest. So it means, you see here, these two, Oh, sorry, just zoom it. You see here, the price tested this level. Once it broke out, it came back and retested and was rejected, making it another zone. Okay, so and next up is 0.618. You see the price went up, came down, was rejected from, see how beautifully this was rejected here. Then again, once the price came down, it was tested here at level. Then here you see a lot of rejections in here. So the Fibonacci levels are very important. When one level is when one level is broken, we see a retest on the second level. Okay, so again, I'm gonna describe you in detail. You see here, if we look from the bottom, the price was in the consolidation phase. It went up, tested the level, went down, retested, accumulated, then went up, and then again retested, tested an accumulation, then went up, tested the next level here, then stayed in the accumulation zone, then again price went up, broke through, tested this level, then again the price went up, straight up, breaking two levels. These two levels were broken, these two levels. Okay, price straight went up to this level, then again price went down, rejected, retested at this level, then again the next stop was this level. You see, first it was tested here, second it was tested here. Okay, then again price came back. If we move on, price came back, then again tested at this Fibonacci level 3. Now what I am expecting is the level number 4 and a level number 5. Okay, so right now I don't think so it's a good time to buy. Just wait for a few days. Although the forming has end on the 5th of May, but for now a lot of people are selling because a lot of accumulation going on went on the forming period. So now what I'm expecting here, this zone 4 and the 5. Okay, 0.45 to 0.3. So price is gonna stay in between these zones for a couple of days here. Let me draw with a pen. Where is the pen tool? Yeah, this one I'm expecting this zone to be hit in the few days. And also let me show you guys, this is the monthly support, very large. You see, monthly support is always a huge support. So if the price comes down, we can expect a rejection from here as well. So that's why I am making this zone as a good buying zone, 0.45, 0.35. Okay, from there what I can expect, from there I can expect, if price comes down here, we might see some consolidation in here, in this area, and from there with a good volume we can first retest this level. Let me draw with the pen so that you guys can have a better idea what I'm talking about. See here, what I'm expecting, the price to come down here. Okay, price come down at this zone, then it gonna stay in this. Let me delete this as well. Then the price is going to consolidate here somewhere. Okay, we can see some consolidation here, might a retest to this level, then a retest to this level, and then from there we can spike up here. From there we can retest one zone, then we're gonna test the next zone. From there we're gonna retest on the pullback and up. Then these levels, that's how the price moves on. Then we can hit this swing high. That's how the price is gonna move. Okay, so I'm expecting some targets in the, well, the next target would be this one. If we come here, then we can see a good target to $1. Okay, at this point, if it goes to this level, then we're gonna see good retracement back to this zone, this swing high, and then from there we can say that the price is in the uptrend. So always make sure to watch out for this as monthly support if you want to draw any picture, if you want to take any screenshot, just pause the video and just you see, just take a picture of this screenshot. These are the key levels, you see, so you need to look for these levels. So I think that's pretty much it. Just wait for a few days, wait for this area, this zone. What I'm expecting, although I might be wrong, I might mistake, but that's how the price, that's my prediction, it can be wrong, it can be right. But guys, thank you so much for your support, and that's it for today's, guys. This was the TLM price prediction. Thank you very much.